In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and understand a Notion second brain. If you're looking to boost your productivity and organization, a second brain can be a game changer. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Notion account. If you're new to Notion, it's a versatile tool that helps organize your thoughts, tasks, and projects all in one place. Once you're logged in, let's start by creating a new page in Notion. This will be the foundation of your second brain. Now, you're going to name this new page Second Brain Dashboard. This will serve as your central hub where everything is organized and easily accessible. Think of it as the control center for managing your life and work. Inside this dashboard, create links or subpages for core areas of your life. These could be things like work projects, personal development, or any other aspect you wish to track. The idea is to organize your different commitments into clearly defined sections to make navigation smooth and intuitive. Next, create a page or database specifically for quick idea capture. This will act as a digital notepad where you can jot down ideas, thoughts, or tasks as soon as they come to you. Having a dedicated space for this ensures nothing slips through the cracks, and it's always easy to find later. As you begin to populate your second brain, consider organizing your information by category or use the PARA method. PARA stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. This method helps you categorize your pages in a way that supports active projects and keeps resources handy while archiving what's completed. Additionally, adding a calendar view is a fantastic way to track your tasks and projects effectively. With a calendar, you can visualize your schedule, deadlines, and upcoming events at a glance. This not only improves time management, but also helps prevent any important task from falling through the cracks. Remember, the key to a successful second brain in Notion is structuring it in a way that mirrors how you think and work. Don't hesitate to tweak the layout as you become more comfortable and figure out what suits your needs best. That's it for today's guide on creating a Notion second brain. With this setup, you'll have a comprehensive system that supports your productivity, allowing you to free up mental space and focus on what truly matters. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to drop any questions or share how your Notion second brain is working for you in the comments below. Until next time, happy organizing.